Here's how to save TikToks in HD audio. So, go ahead and open the TikTok app and choose a video you want to download. So let's say I want to download this one right here. I click on the share in the bottom right, then I scroll to the right and click on more. Then on the share icon, I press copy link. Copy the link. Now, once it's copied, I go to any search bar and search up TikTok video download. Once that's there, you can choose any one you want. So I'm going to click on the first link. I'm going to paste that link in there. And then press download. And now that TikTok video will be downloading, and some other sites have different HD qualities you can choose from. As you can see, you can download this video, download the slide, download MP3, and then you can download any TikTok video you want without the watermark.